Hi, this video is for users of MedicalDirector Clinical and will demonstrate how to add an allergy and adverse reaction in a patient record. Move towards the top left of the screen within MedicalDirector Clinical. It will say Allergies and Adverse Reactions on the left, and then a question mark, Allergies, Adverse Reactions in red. If you double click on that red writing, it opens the Allergies, Adverse Reactions and Warnings box. Note there is a tick box for no known allergies, adverse reactions. If that is the case, you could tick that for your patients. It shows everybody that that question has been asked and answered. That question should be checked regularly. If we double click, if the patient does have an allergy, we can click add. And here we have that listed by drug, class, or other. In this instance, I'm going to say by drug, and I'm going to say that this is an aspirin allergy, so I'm typing the first few letters of that aspirin. The nature of the reaction was anaphylaxis, which is an allergy, and the severity was life-threatening. I will then be prompted whether I wish to record as generic or therapeutic. I'll click OK. This information is vital to be coded, meaning choosing from that list, as this information will then populate all other relevant areas of MedicalDirector. For example, should a doctor prescribe a medication that has aspirin in it, they will be alerted with a warning. Click Save. Should the patient have an adverse reaction, not a true allergy, but significant, we need to record it. Again, you can double click in that box and add. Here we have the radio button, adverse reaction. I could choose by class. I could say ACE inhibitor, for example, and the reaction is a cough. Here we have adverse reaction radio button, and then I could choose this is mild, moderately severe, so on. And the doctor could make a decision. Yes to confirm, save. This single point data entry means your time is saved. If you enter from that coded list once, you're coding important information in the correct field, and other relevant fields will be populated within MedicalDirector Clinical. Not only will other fields be populated, but alerts and warnings will be activated for patient safety and improved risk management. So firstly, coding reduces the risk of medication errors. It enables practices to see if they're meeting general practice standards, which say 90% of allergies should be coded, should be recorded for our patients for whom we are treating regularly. And finally, this important information will be available for others on the patient's care team, both within your organization and externally, as this information is shared on referrals, care plans, admission reports, and summaries uploaded to My Health Record. Coding allergies and adverse reactions helps protect patients and the clinicians who care for them.